How to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can set a WhatsApp profile picture without losing its quality. It's a simple process, so without further ado, let's get started. So first, open WhatsApp and send the photo you want to use as a profile picture in a chat. At the top of the screen, you will see a SD option. Make sure to select it to maintain the photo quality. However, keep in mind that your photo needs to be in high resolution. As you can see, it's not in high resolution, so I'm gonna use another picture. Now, let me show you. This one has SD level, meaning it's ready to be sent in high quality. Once you have sent the photo, the next step is to save it to your gallery. Simply save it to your gallery and go back to your WhatsApp profile settings. Tap on your profile picture and select Edit, and then choose to edit profile photo option, and from there pick the HD photo you just saved from your gallery. And that's it. Your WhatsApp profile picture is now set in high quality. And with this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.